everyone, this is YouTube back again, and today we are doing another review on one of my Christmas presents, and it is the Horrid Monstrosity Animal Party trademark Percy. So yeah, I got this for Christmas, and then so here's Thomas, Percy, and Nia down in the corner there. And when I unwrapped it, I kind of ripped Percy's CGI promo because the wrapping was stuck there on a piece of tape, and then I ripped it. So yeah. And here is Percy looking like a cheetah. Then here we have a zebra and a camel. And then on the side here, this is where things get disastrous. Can you see what's wrong here? I do. It says, as seen on the show. What episode is that? Tiger Trouble. What character is that? That's right. It's Thomas. And Percy never appeared in Tiger Trouble. So that is a Thomas. And this is a Percy. This is where the disastrous Mattel comes in. Mattel, this was a pointless model to make. You know that, right? Now I'm kind of getting mad about this model. Either way, let's look at the back of the box now. So here's Animal Party Percy, Rebecca, and Monkey Mania Thomas, which I still need to get. And it says, inspired by moments from the show. Excuse me, Mattel. This never happened! This unique engine imagines what Percy would look like as a full-fledged member of the animal kingdom, with leopard print designs and fun animal friends. So yeah, and then it even says stuff about the push long range. So yeah, let's get to unboxing this horrid thing. Alright, Percy, time to come back out of your box. Prison. Goodbye. Goodbye. And hello. So yeah, here are the instructions, and since they're normal and nothing has to do with them, let's just do this. Goodbye, instructions. Have a great time. Now let's get on to looking at Percy. Starting with Percy himself. So yeah, here is the leopard Percy. And it's a pretty weird model. So first off, he has a leopard face. With actual, whiskers. And then here's his side. He has, leopard spots. They look more like cheetah spots to me. And then Percy fades to green here. It's number 6. His wheels are green. It's the back. Nothing special. Except for there are these weird black tinges. Don't know if you can see it. It's weird. Here's the other side. It's basically the same as the opposite side. Here's the top. None of this stuff is painted. And we also have an orange running board. Yeah. Now let's compare this Percy to a normal Percy. Alright, so I brought in the Percy from the 6-in-1 set. So, first off, this is not a normal face. I'll bring in another Percy to compare faces later. But first you can see that the running board is actually orange instead of red. Here's the sides. You can see a lot of differences here. How is number 6 is bigger on this one? Look at that hole inside of the 6. And look how small that 6 is. Get closer. You see the difference in size of how big and small those numbers are? And another difference is how Percy fades to like spots. Also, Percy doesn't have his red stripes painted. Yeah. Here's the backs. Nothing special here. The other side. Yeah, and it's the same exact thing. The 6 is bigger on the Animal Party Percy. And the tops. So yeah, which Percy would you prefer to have? A normal Percy or a special Percy? Yeah, but let me get one extra Percy so we can compare faces. Alrighty, so I got the glow-in-the-dark Percy. Not hyper glow, just glow-in-the-dark from the Midnight Mail Run. So, these are the same face, just this one has extra printed details. Which face do you prefer? Normal Percy face or the leopard Percy face? Let me know in the comments below which Percy you would prefer. A normal Percy or a leopard Percy. So either way, with that out of the way, let's look at the rolling stock. Starting with the zebra car. So here is the zebra car. And then this is pretty much the same as the elephant car from Nia and the Elephant. And the zebra can go in both backwards and forwards. See? So either way, let's get that out of the way and look at this zebra. So yeah, here's the front. Its head can't articulate like the elephant. Here's its mane. Is that the mane? I think. I'm probably gonna get it wrong because I don't know anything about zebras except they're black and white striped. And here's its body. There's its tail. It has little pegs underneath for the cargo car. And yeah, there was your zebra. Now let's look at the camel car. So yeah, the freight car is pretty much the same as the zebra car and the elephant car. It's just red instead of brown or green. Oh yeah, also to mention, they have terrible couplers. Yeah. Now let's look at the camel. So yeah, it has one hump. Then here's its face. Its back, its tail. It's underneath. There are the pegs. And yeah, that was your camel. Also, like the zebra, the camel can go in both forwards and backwards. Yeah. So yeah, that was the camel car. And camel. So yeah, there was your Animal Party Percy. And what do I think of this model? It's decent. It has nothing to do with the show. It was made for merchandising purposes, just so Mattel could have money. This is not the way to get money, Mattel. Just to let you know. Take the hint and make something else, like Hong Mei or even Red Rosie. But I have a feeling they didn't do that because they're part of the push long range. So either way, on my rating scale, I'd give this thing like a 3 or a 3.5 out of 10. So yeah. Now we're gonna give this thing a run on the layout along with all the other Big World Big Adventures engines. In 3, 2, 1, go, Percy, go. And there was your run. I know it was kind of cut short. Sort of cut short. There was originally going to be more footage, but it didn't go so well. So yeah, there was your run. Either way. And I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you all in the next video.